Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get Titanite in Astroneer. This is going to be useful for making titanium, and it can be later used to make something like a rail station. So to begin, Titanite can be found on two planets only, which are Wessania, where you can find it in mountains, and the second one is Glacio, where you can find it in caves. Glacio planet is a better option, because you can find it in a much larger cluster. So I've traveled to Glacio, and instead of caves, the Titanite is going to look like these green rods sticking out of the ground. Also, make sure you've got the drill mod 1 at your grain tool, so that you can mine harder materials like is this silver rock right here. So just go ahead and mine Titanite, and once you hear the ping, this means that it has been added to your inventory. This is going to be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.